I'm back with Camille's Naturals, and this is take 2 for this particular combo because my results just weren't stellar the first time. So today I'm doing a twist out using one of my favorite hair care lines, which is Camille's Naturals. Now I typically do twist outs using the Almond Joy twisting butter, and for my hair this just works the best. I don't have to use a leave-in or a gel. It is a one product wonder for my twist outs. I get moisture, I get hold, and I get about 5 days wear. That's perfect for me. So because I love the line so much, I bought more products from the Camille's line. I got the Curl Love Moisture Milk as well as the Curl Maker Gel. So I tried this combo in a twist out last week and my results were not ideal. So because I have faith in this line so much and I know what the twisting butter can do, I wanted to just revisit using the products and, maybe do something different. I'm going to repeat the steps with a twist out just like I always do and work the product in more, make sure my hair is wet, and just do everything that I do when I use the twisting butter. I'm going to do those things with this new combo of products that I have. So for starters, what I did not do for that last twist out was secure the base of my twists. So what I always do when I use what I do most of the times when I use the twisting butter is secure the base of my twist so that way I'm holding the twist in place so they won't get loose and I'll still get that great definition. I'm not so much worried about the ends because I don't do anything special to the ends. I just kind of twirl them up, but I always secure the base of the twist. And other than that, I think that's it. I'm just going to make sure my hair is wet when I apply the moisture milk, which is the leave-in, and really work the product through and then apply the gel on top of it. So I've already done the entire back side of my head and now I'll just finish up. I have warm water in my spray bottle and I'm just making sure my hair is completely saturated with water before I apply the moisture milk. Twists in. And I've secured the base of each twist. And I really took my time and worked the product through. I sprayed each section of my hair with warm water before I did the twist. So, wish me luck. I sat under my hooded dryer for a few hours while I watched some TV and then left the twists in overnight. Now, the Curl Love is packed full of vitamins and it claims they will strengthen and stimulate hair growth. And it is rich in antioxidant oils that will boost and encourage curls. Now, I will say my hair is very soft and it's very moisturized. So without a doubt, if you're looking for a product to put some moisture into your hair. The Curl Love is it. And I'd say also too, go for that almond joy twisting butter. You really can't go wrong. So just as I'd hoped, the second time around using this combination was much better than the first. And I knew it had to be me and my technique. I've got the definition, I have softness, I have shine. The only thing lacking is the hold. But guess what? I still managed to get 4 days worth of wear from this hairstyle. My hair never lost the definition and never lost the shine. So I really am pleased with this combination of products. I think I would have enjoyed the normal hold that I'm used to from the twisting butter. But other than that, I'm so glad that I gave the combination a try and the results were great. I think I'm drawn to these products so much because they give me the fluffy, light hair that I love. And having fine hair, I don't want anything to weigh my hair down. I don't want anything that will make my hair look stringy and limp. This is not lip and stringy hair. As you can tell by my smile, I'm very happy. Thank you again for watching my video today. Try these products if you have not. And if you have, leave a comment and let me know your experience. See you next time and keep it naturally corporate.